This video is dedicated to Honeybee, who sent me a message saying, "Hi Lise, I have finally managed to source some decomposed granite. It took some doing. I haven't purchased it yet. I'm asking my parents for some for my birthday. I have a slight concern that it may be more like just sand, but will that still be okay?" So in this video, I am going to talk about the granite that I'm using. Without sounding like a geology class, granite basically is molten rocks or magma that has come from beneath the surface of the earth. Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. Okay, I just want to show you the type or the sort of granite I'm using. This is my decomposed granite. Okay. So it's really hard to tell by just that, so I'm gonna have to explain it further. Where we live, this granite can be found in one of Corkhill Brothers landscaping supplier. So it's Corkhill Brothers in Mitchell, because I'm from Canberra, but I have seen them online in other parts of Australia being sold as well. This one is called a yellow granite, or actually cream. It's actually more yellow, and there is also another one called red granite. So this is a red granite. These ones are actually already crushed. So red and yellow, to me they all look both sort of similar, but anyway, I'm going to explain it further. So these are now decomposed granite as well from this lot here, big bits that, why am I shaking? That's okay, they're big pieces that I already put in here to demonstrate to you what I mean. So basically, first of all, this is my sieve, and okay, let's go put some granite here. So this is what I get from we get this from a friend's property, but then now you can buy it from the landscaping supplies. Now I put it on my sieve and I sieve it. Okay, the big one I put away. This is so hard, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna make a mess, doesn't matter. And then this one now that went through the coarse sieve, so the whole of the sieve, can you see? So this got bigger holes, this I got finer holes. So the finer holes, the one with the finer holes, get to keep all this good stuff here, which is what I use as dressing for my succulents or potted succulents. This one now is also what I use for my advanced soil mix. Now what falls through the bottom of this are these fine stuff. So this is the fine stuff. This is what I use for my propagating mix. This is what they call a red granite, but this one is already crushed. See, you do get this from the garden center. This is what they use for driveways. And it also has, even though they crushed it, so basically the granite is not decomposed, what I'm using. So this one mainly, it could also be decomposed already. So if I just squash this, look, so that's already decomposed as well, but it also has a lot of different minerals on this rock that I can see here. So it's got different composition, but this one is sort of more dark. So when you wash this off, since there's a lot of powdered granite already in it, what I would suggest is only using half of this driveway, or should I call this landscaping granite, but it's basically crushed granite. So only use half of the landscaping granite. So I'm trying to fill this one here now. So this one is sort of, I've got more on this right hand side. This is my decomposed granite, and this is the crushed granite, and I'm just trying to feel the weight. This is way heavier, the crushed granite, than the decomposed granite. Sad, because that was Honeybee's question. Is sand and decomposed granites the same? Well, no, they're not. So this is sand. This is the same stuff you find. This is basically silica quartz that you find in the beach or in rivers. So this is, I call this dead. That doesn't do anything. It doesn't absorb, or it's not porous. So it's just in small bits, small grits or grains. Oh, there's a crystal there. Is it a crystal? Oh, it's a little crystal. But anyway, yeah. Some people use it for cactus. You can actually use it for some species of cactus. But I don't use this for my succulents. So I'm going to be specific now. So for, say, cactus and lithops, you use a different soil mix for that one. So this is just mainly for the leafy succulents. So this one as well, okay, this is Scoria. Scoria, it's got some holes in it, see, look. Those ones, they're not good for succulent. I tried using them on my succulent as a dressing for the top, and then mealybugs just found a home for themselves. So the little holes get infested with mealybugs, so that's where they hide, and then they go in there at night or wherever when you're spraying, and then they run back in to the plants when you're not around. So that's their hidey hole, this Scoria. So don't use Scoria. I don't, well, at least I don't use Scoria. You can use Scoria if you want to. You're free to do what you want to do. But me, personally, I don't use Scoria. Lithops, I actually use them for lithops, but I crush them. But that's another video. Decomposing granite. So this is now a decomposed granite. So you can see this one even has some roots. So you can see the roots there from the trees that's in the area. But see, you can see all of that is now broken up into that delicious yummy soil that I use now for my succulent. There you go. Hope you get an insight into why I use decomposed granite.